So hey guys, welcome to CS Concept Simplified. So myself Samkit Shah. So in this video we'll basically talk about MHTCET 2022 pattern. So this video will talk about the sections in which MHTCET is divided, time division of each section, because in MHTCET we have given a particular time for a particular section. And in this video we also I will also share my strategy which I have used to score best in MHTCET previous year, and also we'll talk about the distribution of syllabus in class 12th and class 11th, which is actually MHTCET. So let's start with it. So finally, we have completed 2 months for the MHTCET preparation. So I guess all the students' board exams are over. Now all the students have started working for CET or JEE Mains. So this video will basically talk about only MHTCET. So MHTCET paper consists of 2 sections, majorly 2 sections. First section is physics and chemistry, and another section is maths. So time distribution of each section. So in MHTCET paper, you have 1.5 hour for the section 1 and 1.5 hour for the section 2. So in section 1 you have physics and chemistry. So section 1 consists of 1 question 1 mark each. So you have 100 questions in section 1, which you have almost 90 minutes to solve 100 questions, and each question carry 1 mark. And now about section 2. Section 2 consists 50 questions and each question carry 2 marks. So here you get 100 marks and here you get 100 marks. So again I repeat, physics and chemistry both consist in section 1, and section 1 you have 1 question 1 mark each, so you have 100 marks for the section 1. And section 2 you have maths 50 question 2 marks each, so here also you get 100 marks. So both comprise of 200 marks. So MHTCET paper is of 200 marks, 100 marks section 1, 100 marks section 2. So this is about the paper. So and about the time, you have got 1.5 hour for section 1 and 1.5 hour for section 2. So now discuss about the syllabus. So MHTCET you have both class 11th and 12th syllabus, but majorly class 12th is asked. As per the previous trends, papers of 2021 also, you have 80% majority of class 12th. So 80% of class 12th is asked in paper, and 20% of class 11th is asked. So you can assume from the chapters of class 11th you can assume 1 question per each chapter, but from the class 12th portion you can assume almost 2 or 3 questions per chapter. So this is the difference, that class 12th has 80% and class 11th has only 20%. So you got the idea. So you have 2 months, start preparing for the 12th. You need to complete your class 12th chapters at most, and then move on to the 11th, because class 12th is asked most. So now about my strategy. As I have made my previous video about the best books for MHTCET, in that video too I have disclosed my strategy. So my strategy is basically start with the class 12th board books. So first of all, complete your class 12th board books and then move on to the practice question books. Practice question books, you at least have to do 100 questions per chapter. So 100 questions per chapter you have to do, and at last month every week you have to give 1 mock test. It's compulsory because it will help you in solving the questions as you sitting in an exam and giving the paper. So I will request you to watch my previous video, that in that video I have disclosed my strategy in depth, and also I have disclosed the best books for MHTCET preparation. So just check it out, and thanks for watching this video. So our next video will be on the detailed most important chapters of MHTCET. First of all, physics, chemistry and maths, separate video for each subject. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप ज़रूर वॉच आउट कर लेना, क्योंकि उससे आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कौन से चैप्टर की कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस है, क्योंकि जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर्स होते हैं ना, उसमें से 3 क्वेश्चन आने की पॉसिबिलिटीज़ होती है पर सब्जेक्ट पर चैप्टर. सो एक चैप्टर से 3 क्वेश्चन सोच लो, ऐसे 5-6 टॉपिक भी आपने कर लिया ना, आपका बहुत अच्छा स्कोर इंप्रूव हो जाएगा. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, और तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब करके जाना.